Hello everyone. So here I am going to discussing about chemistry. What is meant by chemistry, and what are the branches are there in the chemistry, and what is tells. So how it is bind with the nature, and so what are some special types of are there in the chemistry. So chemistry tells about study of matter. Okay. సో పదార్థం గురించి రసాయన శాస్త్రం అనేది చెప్తుంది. సో రసాయన శాస్త్రంలో వాటి యొక్క కొన్ని బ్రాంచెస్ ఏమిటి, సో దేని గురించి చెప్తుంది అనేది, సో కెమిస్ట్రీ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. సో హియర్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు సే ఎ ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ అబౌట్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. సో వాట్ ఈస్ మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ అండ్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ bind with nature, and is there any specialty of this. So some who said this chemistry word. Okay, so we are going to tell you. So I'm going to tell you guys so how it is important to us. So and how it is made up of. So matter, everything is made up of matter, right? So that is chemistry or not. So here I'm going to tell you. So the chemistry word was given by the Lavoisier. Okay, Lavoisier. So Lavoisier is a scientist. He was given the chemistry word. Okay, so here the chemistry means it is deals with or the study of, it is a branch of science. Okay, so chemistry is the branch of science. సో సైన్స్ గురించి తెలియదు, కెమిస్ట్రీ ఒక బ్రాంచ్, కొన్ని బ్రాంచెస్ ఉంటాయి, ఫిజికల్ కెమిస్ట్రీ అని అండ్ అనార్గానిక్ అండ్ ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. దట్ ఈస్ ద బ్రాంచ్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్. సో సైన్స్ మీన్స్ so it is show some realities what is going on around our so on planet or so our nature. Okay, so that is chemistry. So here some chemistry, it is study of matter. Okay, so matter behind what characters are there, we are studying about this. So mostly it is study of matter. That means here, so first one is composition. So study of matter means composition and structure and reactions and properties and utilization means so applications. Okay, so padardham means matter. So here study of matter, that means so matter has some mass and some space, or it occupies some space and volume. Okay, so here matter is composition, means composition is related to matter. So structure also and reaction also and properties. So based on that matter, so we can easily define composition and structures and reaction and properties and utilization or applications. Is there any properties of matter? So here we are discussing. So first one is, so composition means composition ante telugulo manam mishramam antamu. So is there any defects on matter? So first of all, so it is matter only binds with this composition. So one atom or different atoms are combined together. Okay, so each other they are combined to, so this is one type of composition. Like for example here, water. So water may have those compositions. What are the compositions we have? So for example here, oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, so oxygen and hydrogen is a one type of composition. Okay, composition structures. What is the structure of this? Okay, structure and reaction and properties and utilization. So we are saying just so here one type, water is a one type of matter. Okay, so here high density, water is they have one high density. Okay, సో కాంపోజిషన్ అంటే మిశ్రమం అంటే ఏంది, సో దాని యొక్క ఆకృతి ఎలా ఉంటుంది, సో చర్య అనేది ఎలా ఉంటుంది వాటర్కి ఇంకో కాంపౌండ్కి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీస్, దాని యొక్క ధర్మం ఏమిటి, సో వాటర్ యొక్క ధర్మం ఏమిటి. నెక్స్ట్ యూటిలైజేషన్, సో ఇలా ఇది ఎలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ సో మ్యాటర్. సో మ్యాటర్ హ్యాస్ సమ్ స్పేస్ అండ్ సమ్ మాస్ అండ్ ఓకే, సో అండ్ so some volume also. Okay, that is a matter, is about a matter. Okay, so composition means so it is a one or two are combined to each other, so they become as a water. So it that is a one type of composition. సో నౌ సీస్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్. సో దాని యొక్క ఆకృతి ఎలా ఉంటుంది అని చూద్దాం. సో జనరలీ వాటర్ ఈజ్ అ టెట్రాహెడ్రల్ షేప్, బట్ ఇట్ బికమ్ యాజ్ వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ మాలిక్యులర్ లెవెల్, సో it is a bent shape. Okay, so water is a bent shape. So like this water, the structure is like this. So a bond angle is 104.5 degrees. So 104 ఉంటుంది. So here two lone pairs are there. So this is the bent shape or tetrahedral shape first in molecular level. So it is become as a bent shape or angular shape. So ఇది ఒక వాటర్ యొక్క ఆకృతి. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ రియాక్షన్. So when water is reacted with another compound, salt, sodium chloride, so sodium hydroxide plus HCl. Okay, sodium hydroxide plus HCl is a one type of reaction. Charya and so reaction is means that so it the way of action means so it one substances can changes into so different color, maybe their composition like that. So here one substance can changes into another substances. That is reaction method. Okay, so next preparation properties. So properties of water here. So now we here I can take one example and so explain all the things about one characters, all the things we are covering here. So composition, structure, reaction and properties and utilization. So here, so properties means it shows their physical properties and chemical properties. So here sodium hydroxide and HCl is one type of chemical properties when reacted other so water and salt so to form so hydroxides. Okay, this is one type of chemical properties. And physical properties means water is a universal solvent. Because of water is everything, it helps everything. Okay, so water, so that is one thing. And water is essential for all of us. Okay, so this is properties, physical properties and chemical properties. So physical properties, let me see just so what is the shape of water. Okay, and the color of the is colorless and tasteless and odorless. Okay, so all you know about this so physical properties. And chemical properties also, when we dissolve water with salt to produce hydroxides. So that is the physical and chemical properties differences. ఓకే, రసాయన ధర్మం లేదా భౌతిక ధర్మం అని అంటాం తెలుగులో. సో చర్య అండ్ దాని యొక్క ఆకృతి గురించి కూడా తెలుసుకున్నాం. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ యూటిలైజేషన్ ఆర్ అప్లికేషన్. సో వాటర్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ యాజ్ అన్ యూనివర్సల్ సాల్వెంట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ అస్. దట్ ఈస్ differences. So here water we discussed it just composition. Here composition, what is one type of compositions had high density because of so here it maintains hydrogen atoms, so maintain hydrogens, so number of hydrogens. Okay, so then the ice, so ice has lesser density. So because of when we freeze the water, so it become as a crystalline form of structures, so they have less number of hydrogens than the water. That's why it is lesser than density than the so water means water has high density than the ice. So here one type of composition water. Okay, so we discuss the structures, reaction and properties and utilization. These are the characteristic features of so in the study of chemistry. So that means matter. So matter has everything. So everything like vehicles or any color compounds, any materials, it is totally made up of matter, right? So this is the basic characters, means basic things in chemistry through study of matter. So it has so structurally and compositionally and reactionally and preparation, so the properties and utilization applications. So that is the things. So and next when we talk about branches of chemistry, so what are the branches out there in the chemistry we are seeing just. So here now we'll see let me see just branches of chemistry. What are the branches are there? So here branches of chemistry, here one physical chemistry is there and inorganic chemistry. I'm shortcutting, writing here no places, here no place, that's why I'm writing in shortcut. So here an organic chemistry. So what it deals, what it states, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So the physical chemistry was proposed by Ostwald. Okay, and inorganic chemistry was discovered by Werner, and organic chemistry was coined by Wohler. Okay, So there are the scientists among those physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry. So they are differ so in different forms, right? So here inorganic chemistry, it tells about so elements, so elements, characters. So in our inorganic chemistry, like nitrogen, so oxygen, so all the different elements. So it is organic, it is inorganic chemistry it is about. And organic chemistry, so it has only carbon and hydrogen. So carbon hydrogen containing compounds are the organic chemistry. Okay, so it is a basic, and it is one of the basic. And the physical chemistry, it says so principle of reactions. So principles of reactions, it said. So it is physical chemistry, భౌతిక రసాయన శాస్త్రం, కర్బన రసాయన శాస్త్రం, అకర్బన రసాయన శాస్త్రం ఏం చెప్తుందంటే సో ఇందులో కార్బన్ అండ్ హైడ్రోజన్ గురించి ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ చెప్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, ఎలిమెంట్స్ యొక్క క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఏంది అనేది ఇన్ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ చెప్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిజికల్ కెమిస్ట్రీ, సో రియాక్షన్ ఎలా ముందుకు సాగుతుంది, మీన్స్ చర్య అనేది ఏ విధంగా వెళ్తుంది ముందు. So that is భౌతిక రసాయన శాస్త్రం. So here, so branches of chemistry are very important. So here physical chemistry we have, an inorganic chemistry and anorganic chemistry. So among those, so three are important. So for the gaining marks, organic chemistry and physical chemistry important, and inorganic chemistry. So 35% this and 35%, and this one and 30%. So here, so these characteristic features we know here in branches of chemistry. So this is a today class section. So is basic things about chemistry. So who are the learning chemistry students, they are must know so what are the branches of chemistry. Just we are studying, so the chemistry is deals with the branches of chemistry. So it is a branch of science, so it is deals with the means study of matter. So like that we are studying, but so we can go and deep out and to learn something from that. So here the branches of chemistry we are discussing, what are the characters are there. So inorganic chemistry says so characteristic features of elements here, and organic chemistry says carbon hydrogen compounds. So and next physical chemistry says reactions, principles of reactions it said. So this is the branches of chemistry. And so here we discuss chemistry. So chemistry was discovered by Lavoisier. So it is a branch of science. Okay, so it made up of study of composition, structure and reaction, and applications some. So we are discussing examples also. So this is the today class and about chemistry, what is chemistry and what are the branches are there in the chemistry, and what is study. So it is what it tells about chemistry. So mostly chemistry it has. So again we have another one. So the term of chemistry, just I am created this one. So about chemistry, so chemistry means so community, C for community, H for health, E for environment and medicine, industry, and STU means study and teaching and research, and U finally, you guy. So this is a basic word about basic terms in each word of chemistry. Okay, so this is so I'm creating this one. So first we see study of chemistry and branches of chemistry we are seeing today. So here chemistry means community and health, environment, medicine and industry, and study and teaching and research, and you finally. So this is a basic word. So thank you. Finally, I hope all of you are understanding about this chemistry, what is chemistry and branches of chemistry are there, so and compositions. Okay, so here this is a today class section, and finally I hope all of you are understanding about this, and do subscribe my channel and for more updating videos. Thank you.